These guys right here, these are...
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Hi friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Charlene Town and we talk all things health, fitness, beauty, lifestyle. We talk all the things because those are the things that gets this girl through chronic pain and chronic illness. Today's video, we are getting ready to go out of town. We're gonna go visit some family tonight. And so I wanted to meal prep some food to take with me because if you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know that I have SIBO, so small intestinal bacteria overgrowth. I eat in a low FODMAP, paleo-based way, so it can be a real struggle trying to go places, eat out. I really can't eat out, and going to other people's houses can be really hard just because, you know, I can't have gluten, dairy, sugars. I can't eat most spices. There's just not a lot of things that I can eat. So I thought it might be helpful for those of you since it's holiday time and hopefully we'll be visiting family and we'll be, you know, going to friends' houses and stuff. So this is the food that I would take with me if I'm traveling a short distance, not on a plane, you know, just things that I can take with me, pop in the fridge when I get there. And then, you know, mostly snacks and sides. I asked ahead of time what they're planning on eating for dinner, and that's really helpful because then, you know, we can make sure that it's something that I can eat. So if this is content that you guys like to see, if this is helpful for you, let me know in the comments down below if this kind of video is helpful for you. And also let me know in the comments down below what kind of foods you like to travel with, because I am always looking for delicious foods that are quick and easy that I can take with me on the go, because it's hard to find foods that you can eat when you're out and about. And if this is content that you guys like to see, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe because it really supports my channel. If you hit that little notification bell, you'll never miss another video with this girl right here, because it'll send you a notification when my next video comes out. And let's jump into it so I can show you the foods that I'm gonna be taking with me on vacation. All right, so one of my favorite snacks that I eat every single day, and so it's an obvious choice for me, is apples. I'm bringing apples and my favorite peanut butter. This is the Santa Cruz crunchy peanut butter, but there's nothing else in this. So it's just peanuts. Organic roasted peanuts. That's the only thing in here. I'm bringing my own peanut butter because I can't rely on other people's peanut butter. A lot of peanut butter has sugar in it, and I can't eat that kind of sugar. If you're dealing with low FODMAP, or if you're dealing with SIBO, or you're dealing with gut issues, you gotta read your labels, and so make sure to find a peanut butter that is just strictly peanut butter. So apples and peanut butter will be going with me on our trip because I eat it every day and I need it in my life. And it's quick and it's easy, you know what I mean? Like I can just eat an apple and peanut butter anytime, anywhere. Okay, and so this next one is a little bit controversial because it's not technically low FODMAP because there is dairy in these. However, for whatever reason, these perfect bars, these two are my favorite. This is the regular peanut butter. It's, for me, I love it. It's to die for. And then I discovered this one. It's coconut peanut butter. Perfect bars. These two do not cause any signs of bloating or anything going on in my gut, so I heavily rely on these, especially when I'm traveling. It's a good source of protein. It's got greens in it. They're really good, and I just need things that fill me up, and these really work well for me and my body. I urge you to always listen to what works best for you and your body. I have had dialogue with my doctor. If I can eat something and it doesn't show signs, like apples are not a low FODMAP food, they don't show signs in my stomach, they don't make me sick, so I eat apples. My doctor tells me, if you can eat it, eat it. You just need to eat. There's so many things that are restricted on a low FODMAP, SIBO, paleo-based diet that you just gotta eat what you can eat. You know what I'm saying? So always do what's best for you and your body. I'm gonna do what's best for me and my body, and these guys are a lifesaver for me. So Perfect bars are for sure going. I'm gonna bring 4. I'm gonna be gone for 2 days. So I'm gonna bring 2 for each day just in case. Normally I will only eat 1 of these a day. However, when I was traveling in Maui, I really learned you just gotta eat the foods that you know you can eat. And if you have to eat a little bit more of them and if they make you feel a little bit sick, it's better than eating something that you know you can't eat and getting really sick. You know what I'm saying? So these guys, I can eat them and I have absolutely no problem. So love these. These are for sure going with me and they travel really well and love them. These guys right here, these are my blueberry muffins. I make these every single week. I do have a video where I actually make them with you and I make them with Liv. I think I filmed that video almost a year ago. I will have this recipe down below. It's out of the Forks Over Knives book. It's a gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan recipe. It's made with oat flour and they are delicious. I love them. I eat them every day. It's just a really good snack for me. I can eat them for breakfast. To bulk up a meal, I can have them just as a snack throughout the day. They're amazing. I love them. Highly recommend checking them out. So, blueberry muffins will be going with us. We have some macadamia nuts that we're gonna be taking in the car for snacks. Liv's already eaten half of them. They're delicious, but macadamia nuts just fill me up. I think it's the salt. They're a little bit fattier of a nut and I like them better than almonds and they're delicious. So macadamia nuts, and again, they're dry roasted with salt and macadamia nuts. So again, you wanna make sure that they're not using some weird oils and stuff, but macadamia nuts for me are a must, especially super easy to travel with. I'm gonna be bringing my Vital Proteins with me, and I just bring these little packs. I keep these little packs with me. I don't wanna carry my big container. For me personally, getting this extra protein, collagen, all the extra little healthy fats from the coconut milk that's in here, I'll take anything I can get. Just trying to keep my calories up and make my body feel good is really helpful. So my Vital Proteins is a non-negotiable for me. I put this in my coffee every single morning. I also do the collagen peptides, but I forgot to pick those up. Bummer. Anyway, I have my collagen creamer. I couldn't find the Vital Proteins collagen peptides in the little packets, like the sachet packets. So I'm gonna just pack some of my collagen that I have just because it's quick, it's easy, and again, it's that extra protein in the morning that this girl definitely needs, especially when I'm traveling and I know I won't be able to eat all of the food or the snacks or the anything that's there. Having extra protein really helps me. I'm gonna be bringing some bananas with me. These are ripe. I can make banana pancakes. I can just eat a banana. Liv loves bananas. We're gonna be in the car for a few hours. So snacks and probably banana pancakes is my guess. So bananas will go with us for sure. I'm gonna be making these flourless pumpkin protein pancakes with you guys today. From the roasted root, they are delicious. I absolutely love them. They'll travel well. I can make the pancakes and then just pop them in the toaster oven when we get there so I can have them for breakfast the next 2 mornings, which will be great because then I can have a pancake that has protein in it and then an egg on top and it'll keep me full. I can also eat them for snacks. Liv loves them, she can eat them for snacks. It'll just be really nice to have options. So we're gonna make that together. And then the other thing that I wanna bring with me this time is I'm gonna make my go-to salad dressing that I make as soon as I run out of it. I always make a fresh one. I just ran out, so we'll make some dressing together because I know we're gonna be eating salad. I've yet to find a salad dressing that I can eat out. Also, I just prefer fresh salad dressing. So we can make salad dressing together and the protein pancakes. I'm also gonna be bringing a sweet potato so that I can bulk up my meals at night. I can make sweet potato fries or sweet potato mashed potatoes and it'll be great. All right, let's get to cooking. Okay, so like always, I'm halving this recipe, but I will have it linked down below.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
All right, you guys, our pancakes are cooking and we're just gonna throw together a quick, easy dressing that I absolutely love. I've been eating this for years. It's my favorite. So first, I saved an old jar. I think this is either an old like peanut butter jar or something, but anything that has a nice screw lid is perfect. You can use mason jars, whatever you have is fine. This is just what I will be using today. So I've got my jar, and then our base is olive oil. So I'm just using an extra virgin olive oil. Okay, so a 1/3 cup olive oil. And I always use my little spatula to get all of it. And then apple cider vinegar, and this is the apple cider with the mother. It's really good for you. We're gonna do a 1/4 cup of that. Okay. And then, like I said earlier, the only sweetener that works well for me and my body is pure maple syrup. This is the light grade A pure maple syrup. And that is the only ingredient that's in here. There's nothing else in here. So I'm just gonna do 1 tablespoon in this whole dressing, and this dressing will last me quite a long time. Sorry, there's too much light in my kitchen right now, so there's nowhere you can see what I'm actually doing. So I'm just putting a tablespoon in. You have to believe me. And then do lemon at your discretion. When I first started making this recipe, I only did half of a lemon, but I don't see the point in wasting the other half. So I just do a full lemon, and I prefer Meyer lemons because they're a little bit sweeter. So I'm just gonna do a whole lemon, which is about 2 tablespoons. So you can go off of that. If you're just using lemon juice from like a squeezer, that's totally fine. I would start with 1 tablespoon and then 2 if you want more of a lemon taste. And then my favorite part is mixing around what kind of other spices you put in there. So for me personally, I do a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And then I also do a tablespoon of stone ground mustard, just because it gives like a little bit more. It's got the actual seeds and stuff in it. It's really delicious. If you like mustard, this is delicious. You have to be careful when buying the stone ground mustard because a lot of them have garlic in them. This one does not. So just make sure to check your labels. And this one is from Natural Value. It's really good, I like it. I do a 1/2 tablespoon of each. So I'm gonna do a 1/2 tablespoon of this and a 1/2 tablespoon of the ground mustard. To keep this really simple, you could easily do a teaspoon of this Simply Organic Italian seasoning. I've done that for a long time. It's just really quick, really easy. I like this brand, the Simply Organic, because it's the only Italian seasoning I've been able to find that doesn't have garlic or onion in it. Those are the ingredients. Really important to check your labels if you're gonna be using mixed spices like this. Just check your labels. But my favorite that I've been doing recently is I've just been getting fresh herbs, and I really like thyme and rosemary. And so I'm just gonna take a bunch, cut it up, and then put it in here. This is what it's looking like so far. Pinch of salt. I use pink Himalayan sea salt. So I'm just gonna grab literally a pinch, pop it in there, and then a crack of fresh pepper. But again, season to taste. Whatever you guys like the most, add that in there. Whatever spices you like the most, add that in there. If you can eat garlic, add garlic in there. I cannot, so there you go. So good. And I absolutely love this. This is perfect to even put on chicken. I love using this as a marinade when I'm barbecuing chicken too. I'll do my regular spices like salt, pepper, smoked paprika on my chicken, and then baste my chicken with this. Delicious. It is so good. So I will use this for chicken. I use this on salads. I put this on everything. This is my favorite and only dressing that I eat. So There you go. This is my favorite go-to dressing. I'm gonna finish up these pancakes and then I'm ready to go. I'm just gonna pack all that stuff up. I'll have some quick and easy snacks. I'll have dressing for my salad, because salads, I can pretty much make anything into a salad. It's super easy, and I have my own dressing, so it makes it really easy. And that's it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found inspiration in this video. When you're traveling and it feels like you can't eat anything, for me personally, it's just easier to bring the foods that I absolutely know that I can eat, because I can't be hungry. I can't eat foods that I know are gonna make me feel bad. So then I just go really hungry. I don't have to do that because I can bring all the foods that I need. So packing extra food for me so that I have foods to eat. I urge you to do the same. Don't go eat foods that are gonna make you feel really gross and bloated and not good. Plan ahead, prep your food. It is so worth it. I hope this inspires you. If it did, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you guys. If this is content that you guys like to see, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe, because it really supports my channel. If you hit the little bell, it'll send you a notification when my next video comes out. And that's it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Sending so much love to you guys. I wish you guys a very happy holiday season, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.